Hey guys, welcome back to Shortcut to Sound Effects. I'm Chris Bomasilli. I'm with Anthony Bruno.
Hello.
And in this episode, we're going to show you how to get a really cool sound that I stumbled upon by accident. So I was doing a recording session one day and I was walking by my bookshelf to get something and I accidentally knocked down one of the metal book dividers there. And it made one of the coolest sounds I ever heard. You want to hear it? When that thing hit the ground and I heard that, I was like, oh my God, I have to record that. So I stopped what I was doing, I grabbed this thing and I started experimenting with it. And initially I used it just as a metal impact, just for the team. But you can hear it just rings and it resonates, right? And the coolest part about it is having a handle here, you can create your own, LFO modulation effect. So holding it actually doesn't deaden the sound. It keeps it going, which is really cool. So we're gonna go ahead and capture some of this into the mic and show you how we do it. So just like all the previous videos, I have a simple setup here, which is portable. And I love portability. I have the iPad running Aurea. I got the iRig mic pre, and I have the Neumann set up with the deadening background device thing. I forgot what it's called, but it does a good job at deadening the background of the microphone. And it's still raining here, so we're trying to make sure we don't get the rain into the recordings as much as possible. But hey, we're not going to stop the party just because it's raining. So I'm going to go ahead and start experimenting with this thing, see what kind of sounds we can get out of it. Okay, you ready? So right off the bat, I'm seeing that the attack of me hitting it is pushing the gain, and I don't want clipping because the most important part of this sound is the ringing to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap it further away from the microphone, but quickly bring it in close to the microphone to capture the intimate sound of the ring. You know what? Let's try metal on metal. A lot of clipping on that, but I don't know. What do you think about that? I don't know if I like the metal on metal. Maybe we should try scraping it instead of hitting it. That could probably be used for a knife slice of hitting a shield, a sword hitting a shield or something. I mean, you of course would have to add in a bunch of different sounds on top of it, but it might work. I think that would work. I think that if you took that sound and you added a thicker knife slice to it, and then the impact of a heavy piece of metal, it would sound like a sword hitting a shield. Let's try something else that I got here. That's more metal. But did you hear that resonance? Okay. So that really brought the ringing out. So maybe this is what you need, a battery. I'm still holding it too close because it's clipping, but we'll just edit out the clipping so you get that nice ring. Let me try that again. It's magical, and I've just proved it. So now that you know, you should go grab some book dividers from the thrift store and start recording that sound, and you'll get something cool out of it too. That could be used for a number of different things. I would use that for maybe transitions. Even you could add them to whooshes to kind of sweeten a whoosh. And like I said, any type of metal ringing when when a robot foot hits the ground, if they're walking on metal, you could shorten the ring and just give a nice ting to each step. Lots of different things you could do with that sound. Get yourself one of these and have fun with it. And thanks for watching. You can download the files by clicking the link, and they're available in WAV or MP3. So have fun with them, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.